Hi everyone, welcome back to Pets and Paws channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the third most popular breed in the UK, about Cocker Spaniel. But before we start, please make sure that you are subscribed and let's jump right into the video. The Cocker Spaniel is primarily a beloved companion dog breed, though they remain a capable bird dog at heart. Beautiful to look at and labor-intensive to groom, the Cocker's amenable, cheerful disposition also makes them a treat to have in the family. Let's have a look at breed characteristics. Height approximately 39 to 41 centimeters. Weight approximately 13 to 14.5 kilograms, 28 to 32 pounds. Life expectancy 12 to 15 years. Origin Spain. Characteristics: happy, affectionate and versatile dogs. They are full of life, loyal and determined, with a lot of energy. Colors: Cocker Spaniels come in a variety of colors and their mixes, including black, white, tan, golden, white, red and orange roan. Best for: Cocker Spaniels are suitable for a variety of owners, due to their versatility and happy nature. They make great family pets and would do best with fairly active owners. Exercise requirements: at least an hour of exercise a day. Features: beautiful flowing coat and long floppy ears. History: the modern Cocker Spaniel is descended from the Spaniel family, a large group that dates to antiquity. The word Spaniel means Spanish dog, and it's generally believed that they indeed originated in Spain. By the 1800s, Spaniels were divided into two groups: toys, primarily companions, and large hunting dogs. Hunting dogs were further divided into land and water spaniels. The Cocker Spaniel was named so for his excellence in the field hunting woodcock. Personality: the well-bred Cocker Spaniel has a sweet temperament. He is affectionate and cuddly and loves to participate in family activities. He is playful, alert, and active, enjoying any exercise from a brisk walk to hunting in the field. The Cocker is known to be a sensitive dog, mentally and physically. He has a soft personality and does not respond well to harsh treatment, sometimes turning to growling or snapping when he's in pain or afraid. Early socialization and training is essential to teach the Cocker appropriate canine manners. He needs to be handled carefully and kindly to bring out the best in his personality. Care: the Cocker Spaniel is well suited to living in an apartment or condo, though of course he loves to share a house and yard. Although he doesn't need vast space to roam, he does need daily activity. A daily romp in the yard along with a brisk 30-minute walk can keep him happy and trim. Then bring him inside with you. The Cocker is not pleased to be left alone outdoors for the day, and he may respond by digging or barking to keep himself amused. He's most content when he's with his family, participating in the group's activities. Despite his beautiful locks and cute, round eyes, the Cocker Spaniel is a hunter at heart. He is also a good candidate for many canine sports, especially agility and obedience competitions, hunt tests, flyball, or tracking. Like most dogs, the Cocker is better behaved when active than when he's allowed to get bored, which can lead to such behavior problems as barking, digging, and chewing. Feeding: recommended daily amount: 1.5 to 2.5 cups of high-quality dry food a day. The Cocker Spaniel has a hearty appetite, and he will overeat if given the chance. He's especially skilled at melting your resolve with his big, brown eyes as he begs for tidbits. But don't give in. An overweight Cocker is an unhealthy Cocker. Note: how much your adult dog eats depends on his size, age, build, metabolism, and activity level. Dogs are individuals, just like people, and they don't all need the same amount of food. It almost goes without saying that a highly active dog will need more than a couch potato dog. The quality of dog food you buy also makes a difference. The better the dog food, the further it will go toward nourishing your dog and the less of it you'll need to shake into your dog's bowl. Training: Cocker Spaniels are highly intelligent. They're willing to learn, eager to please and easy to be trained. Their curious, inquisitive nature means they need plenty of mental stimulation, which you can add into their daily life using challenges and games. Cocker Spaniels are happiest when they're given clear boundaries and rules, and when they know what's expected of them. They're fast learners and owners tend to find accidents in the home to be very rare. Health: Cockers are generally healthy, but, like all breeds of dogs, they're prone to certain conditions and diseases. Eye problems can strike the Cocker in a number of ways, including progressive retinal atrophy, a degenerative disease of the retinal cells that progresses to blindness, cataracts, a cloudy film that forms over the eye, glaucoma, a condition in which pressure builds up inside of the eyeball, and eye abnormalities. If you notice any redness in your Cocker's eyes, or if he starts rubbing his face a lot, take him to the vet for a checkup. Autoimmune hemolytic anemia, AIHA, is a condition in which a dog's immune system attacks its own blood cells. Symptoms include pale gums, fatigue, and sometimes jaundice. A swollen abdomen is also indicative, since it signals an enlarged liver. Most affected Cockers do well with treatment, but they should not be bred. Hypothyroidism is a disorder of the thyroid gland that's thought to cause conditions such as epilepsy, hair loss, obesity, lethargy, dark patches on the skin, and other skin conditions. It's treated with medication and diet. Primary seborrhea is a skin problem caused by overproduction of skin cells, including the sebaceous, oil cells. The skin becomes greasy and scaly and has a foul odor. Treatments include medication and medicated baths. Allergies are a common ailment in dogs, and Cockers can be especially prone to them. The three main types are food allergies, which are treated by eliminating certain foods from the dog's diet; contact allergies, which are caused by a reaction to a topical substance such as bedding, flea powders, dog shampoos, and other chemicals; and inhalant allergies, which are caused by airborne allergens such as pollen, dust, mildew. Treatment varies according to the cause and may include dietary restrictions, medications, and environmental changes. Idiopathic epilepsy is often inherited and can cause mild or severe seizures. It's important to remember that seizures can be caused by many other things than idiopathic epilepsy, such as metabolic disorders, infectious diseases that affect the brain, tumors, exposure to poisons, severe head injuries, and more. Therefore, if your dog has seizures, it's important to take him to the vet right away for a checkup. Canine hip dysplasia is an abnormal formation of the hip socket that can cause pain and lameness. Dogs with hip dysplasia should not be bred. If you're buying a puppy, ask the breeder for proof that the parents have been tested for hip dysplasia and are free of problems. Patellar luxation involves dislocation, luxation, of the kneecap, patella. In this condition, the knee joint, often of a hind leg, slides in and out of place, causing pain. This can be crippling. Coat color and grooming. There are few breeds as handsome as the well-groomed Cocker Spaniel. His thick, sometimes wavy coat is short on the head and back and long on the ears, chest, belly, and legs. The coat is a solid color, black or light cream to red to brown, or party color, two or more colors, one of which is white. Grooming is an intense and potentially expensive proposition for the Cocker Spaniel. Most owners opt to have a professional groomer bathe, brush, and trim their dog's coats every 6 to 8 weeks, and prices are high for this time-intensive breed. Daily brushing at home is also necessary to keep the coat free of tangles and mats. If you are hesitant about a breed that requires substantial grooming, the Cocker is not for you. Some owners opt to clip the coat short to make care easier. Even so, trimming and bathing every 6 to 8 weeks is necessary to keep the Cocker clean and the coat short. The Cocker Spaniel must be introduced to grooming early so he will grow up to accept it as a normal part of his life. Given his sensitive personality, an early introduction is advisable so that he learns to accept the handling, brushing, noise of electric clippers, scissoring, ear cleaning, and all the rest of the tasks involved in keeping him looking good. Unfortunately, the Cocker has a reputation with groomers and veterinarians as being less than cooperative. This touchy attitude usually stems from lack of training to accept handling. Positive, kind lessons on how to act on the grooming table or at the veterinarian's office are needed. The nails need to be trimmed once a month, or at grooming sessions, and the ears checked once a week for dirt, redness, or a bad odor that can indicate an infection. The Cocker Spaniel is prone to ear infections, so it's essential to be vigilant. Wipe the ears out weekly with a cotton ball dampened with gentle, pH-balanced ear cleaner to prevent problems. It also helps to use deep, narrow bowls for the Cocker's food and water. This way he can eat and drink without getting his ears damp or soiled with food. Some owners even put a snoot on the Cocker while he eats, for extra ear protection. Children and other pets. One of the reasons the Cocker Spaniel is so popular is that he makes a good family dog. He gets along well with children, as long as he is raised with them and the kids are kind and respectful to animals. But because he is a sensitive dog, all interactions between the Cocker and children should be supervised by a responsible adult. The Cocker Spaniel also gets along with other family pets, given proper training and introductions, including dogs, cats, and small animals. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know what breed I should talk about next. See you in the next videos.